Subscribe Onikawa Films on YouTube and press the bell icon for updates of upcoming videos. The Kalka Shimla Railway is a 2 feet 6 inches narrow-gauge railway in North India which traverses a mostly mountainous route from Kalka to Shimla. It is known for dramatic views of the hills and surrounding villages. The railway was built in 1898 to connect Shimla, the summer capital of India during the British Raj, with the rest of the Indian rail system. During its construction, 107 tunnels and 864 bridges were built along the route. The project's chief engineer was H.S. Harrington. The 1,676 mm broad-gauge Delhi-Kalka line opened in 1891. Construction of the Kalka-Shimla Railway on 2 feet narrow-gauge tracks was begun by the Delhi-Ambala-Kalka Railway Company in 1898. The 96.54 km line opened for traffic on November 9, 1903, and was dedicated by Viceroy Lord Curzon. Because of high capital and maintenance costs and difficult working conditions, the railway was allowed to charge higher fares than on other lines. Nevertheless, the company was still unprofitable, and was purchased by the government on January 1, 1906 for 171,107,748 rupees. The line had been regauged to 2 feet 6 in. 762 mm, the previous year in accordance with Indian War Department standards. Its early locomotives were manufactured by Sharp, Stewart, and Company. Larger locomotives were introduced, which were manufactured by the Hunslet Engine Company. Diesel and diesel-hydraulic locomotives began operation in 1955 and 1970, respectively. In 2007, the Himachal Pradesh government declared the railway a heritage property. For about a week, beginning on September 11, 2007, a UNESCO team visited the railway to inspect it for possible selection as a World Heritage Site. On July 8, 2008, it became part of the Mountain Railways of India World Heritage with the Darjeeling Himalayan and Nilgiri Mountain Railways.